Hey guys, it's Sirena, and for today's video, if you couldn't tell, it's the ballpoint pen challenge, and I'm really excited to do this video because, first of all, I suck at ballpoint pen drawings, and this also comes along with, it's not really a challenge because there's actually a lot of artists who only use ballpoint pen, and if you just Google search ballpoint pen art, you're just going to be amazed because it's just amazing. Like, I don't know how they don't use an eraser. It looks so good. So just Google search now ballpoint pen drawings if you've never seen them before. It's just so good. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically why I called it a challenge, just because I wanted to get better at it. But it's not really a challenge. I'm just kind of making it up. So yeah, one technique that I found that is extremely helpful if you don't want to mess up your piece is wipe the end of your pen with a tissue or a paper towel, because this prevents it from having the ink build up, which will all spread out randomly, like on your drawing, and it will ruin your piece. I did this, I didn't do this in a practice drawing, and I totally ruined my face, and I was like, okay. So now I wipe my pen with a paper towel or a tissue like every minute or so because it seriously saves your drawing. Anyways, so another thing that I did was I used pointillism and cross-hatching. I'm not sure if this is something you typically want to do when you're doing ballpoint pen, but I found it kind of interesting to look at because it had more texture to the drawing. Obviously, I don't think the professionals do it because if you search it up, they have this perfect, smooth, I don't know how they do it. It's like a smooth drawing that it looks like they blended it with colored pencils, but no, it's ballpoint pen. I'm just amazed. So they do a different technique, but I didn't know how they did that, so I just did this to make it, I don't know, more detailed, not realistic, but just interesting to look at. And I also did a bunch of different colors, if you guys can tell. I didn't want to really do it monochromatic with just blue or black because I think when I use colored pencils, it kind of just influenced me to also use color when working with pens, just because I don't know, I always love to make my drawings colorful. So basically I found this set of $1 color pens with pinks, blues, greens, kind of colors that you don't typically see, like blue and black, and I bought it immediately. It was at the dollar store. I was just like, yes, this will be perfect for my drawing. So I basically bought those. And then all the pens that you saw in the beginning of the video were basically just pens that I searched all over my house for, my dad's apartment, literally anywhere I could find just to find those pens. I didn't even use them. I guess it was more for the intro. I thought I would need them because I thought the ink would run out of the pens really fast. It didn't. I had plenty. I didn't even use the spare extra ones that I had for each color, so it was all good. But I am pretty proud how this turned out. I thought it would turn out way worse because my past pen drawings were just literally awful, so bad. And I think the way I fixed it was just using different cross-hatching techniques and pointillism just to add more texture, because I tried to do the smooth perfect way the masters of ballpoint pen do it. I don't know how. If somebody knows how to do that, just comment down below because I would love to know how they freaking make it look so nice. It just looks so, I don't, it looks like pencil. I don't know how they freaking blend the the pens. It's amazing. But yeah, I didn't know how to do that, so I just stick with pointillism and cross-hatching, and I liked how it came out. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be posting next week. I promise you guys. I'm gonna keep up this streak of posting every Sunday. I'm not gonna bail on you guys. Also, in the last seconds I have, I wanted to tell you that the next video will be scheduled because I will be in Alaska. I thought this video was going to be when I was in Alaska, but it's not. Anyways, yeah, so bye guys!